Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of foreign exchange, specifically looking at the EUR GBP pair, which has been showing some really interesting movement lately. We've seen the euro weaken against the British pound, with the pair trading down towards that key 0.8700 level. So what's driving this shift? A big piece of the puzzle seems to be coming out of France. Reports are circulating that the French government is considering a significant change of plans regarding its controversial pension reforms. It looks like they might postpone the implementation, possibly until after the summer. This news has created a bit of uncertainty around the Eurozone's second-largest economy. Whenever there's political uncertainty or a major policy shift like this, markets tend to react. And we're seeing that play out in the value of the euro. Now, let's flip over to the other side of the pair, the British pound. Sterling has been holding its ground relatively well. A key factor supporting the pound is the expectation that the Bank of England will continue its path of raising interest rates to combat inflation. Higher interest rates generally make a currency more attractive to foreign investors, which in turn boosts its value. So, we have a classic case of diverging fundamentals here. On one hand, you have potential policy delays and political headwinds in France, putting some downward pressure on the euro. On the other hand, you have a hawkish central bank in the UK, which is providing support for the pound. This dynamic is what's pushing the EUR GBP pair lower towards that 0.8700 mark. This level is one to watch, as it could act as a significant support zone. If the pair breaks below it, we could see further downside. So, to wrap it all up, the recent weakness in EUR GBP is a fascinating story of political news meeting monetary policy. The potential postponement of French pension reforms has introduced a new layer of uncertainty for the euro, while the Bank of England's firm stance on inflation is keeping the pound supported. This combination is the primary driver behind the move towards 0.8700. We'll be keeping a close eye on how this develops. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you found this breakdown helpful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing for more market analysis. Drop a comment below with your thoughts on where EUR GBP is headed next. See you in the next video.